Check this out. The chicken wings are deboned and stuffed with delicious vegetables. Then it's simmered in a sweet and savory teriyaki sauce. If you like chicken wings, this is a recipe that you must try. All the delicious goodies in one bite. Let's get started. To remove the bones of the chicken wing, cut around the joints. Pull down the meat and remove the bones. Do the same with all of them. Season the wings with salt and white pepper on both sides. Stuff the asparagus and carrot in the wing. You can also replace with other ingredients that you enjoy. Do the same with all of them. To make the sauce, add the water, soy sauce, sugar, mirin. Mirin is a type of Japanese rice wine. It is low in alcohol content and high in sugar content. And sake. If you can't consume alcohol, you can replace mirin and sake with additional water. Whisk. In a pan over medium-high heat, add the avocado oil or other cooking oil that you enjoy. Add the stuffed wings. Pan fry until golden brown for about 2 minutes. Flip. Pan fry until golden brown for another 2 minutes. Over medium-low heat. Pour in the sauce. Cover the lid. Cook for 7 minutes. Flip. And cover the lid. Continue to simmer for another 7 minutes until completely cooked through. And cover the lid. Over high heat. And reduce the sauce for about 2 minutes. The internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Enjoy! Once you bite into it, you'll also get the crunchiness of the carrot and asparagus. So good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!